Let x equal 0.631 repeating. Explain by multiplying the equation by 10 cubed will help us determine the fractional representation of x. The reason why we multiply by 10 to the third power is it gets one set of the pattern out of the decimals to decimal place and into the whole numbers. The reason we want to do that is because if x is equal to this 631 repeating, then 10 to the third power of x will get 631.631 repeating. So it's x plus a whole number. So it's going to be easy to remove that repeating piece. B, we have 10 to the 1000x, and we're subtracting x from both sides. And if 10 or 1000x is 631 with 631 repeating, we can remove whatever x is equal to, which is 630 or 0.631 repeating. So if I take 1000 and I remove 1, I'm left with 999. If I take this repeating piece and I subtract it, I'm left with 0. So then I just have 631 minus 0, which is 631. To solve for x, we just have to divide by 999. So x is equal to 631 over 999. C, when you check your answer in the calculator, is your answer reasonable? Yes. And check.